What's up, you guys? It's Aja Adore here, and I'm back finally. I know it's been a little while, but I wanted to jump on here and come wish everybody a happy 2020. Hey, we made it to another year, and this is the year, you guys. We've been seeing it everywhere. Obviously, we've all made the connection. 2020 vision, okay? That's what we need to focus on this year, is seeing clearly and making sure that we're actually sticking to the goals that we put out in January, and we don't let it fall off as the year goes on. We want to keep the same energy all year. And so I know I've been a little inconsistent, but that is one of my big goals this year, is to just stay consistent in doing the things that I said I was going to do. And I love making YouTube videos and just being creative, and that's really what I want to make sure that I stick to and focus on this year. So I just wanted to hop on and talk a little bit about what the Zen Spot is going to be about. First of all, of course, it's called the Zen Spot. So we're going to be talking about all things Zen. Yes, keeping peace in every aspect of our lives. Whether that be in your finances or in your household, those are a couple videos that I've already done. Creating Zen in your children, in your marriage, in everyday things that you do day to day. I'm gonna be talking about Zen and the things that you put into your body, because we all know that keeping a healthy body and eating healthy food is what creates Zen in your body and keeps you moving and keeps you functioning at a high level. So I'll probably do some cooking videos and just giving you guys ideas on healthy things that you can be incorporating into your diets, different herbs, different vegetables, fruits, you know, the basics, the things that we all know we're supposed to be doing, but sometimes it's just a little bit hard. So I'm going to give you guys some ideas on things that you can eat and cook and do to incorporate that into your diets a little bit more. I'm going to talk some about thrifting, because I just got into thrifting and it's amazing. And that's another way to create Zen for our planet, for our fellow human beings. Sustainable shopping is something that's becoming very popular and big, which is amazing, because fast fashion is getting a really bad rep, and we're starting to find out, you know, what's really going on behind the scenes. And that's a beautiful thing about having, you know, the internet at our fingertips. We're getting so much information that we didn't know about before. So when you receive this information, you want to make sure that you take it and you go out and you start changing things. Ignorance is bliss. So once you know, you want to make sure that you're not going back and contributing to those different types of things. And so I'll throw a few thrifting videos, a few outfit of the days, stuff like that. So basically, it's just going to be everything Zen in all aspects of our lives. If this sounds like something that interests you and you want to jump on this positive wave, come join me. Come subscribe to my channel. Come chill with me at the Zen Spot, okay? We're gonna be all positive vibes all year. So if you're looking for that positive inspiration, make sure you subscribe, and of course hit the bell, like my videos, share my videos, whatever you connect with. Let's just connect. Let's talk. Let's have conversations in the comments. All that good stuff. You know how YouTube works. All that good stuff. Okay. Anyway, Happy New Year once again. Thank you for joining me. I hope that you enjoy this channel. I'm really going to be putting some hard work into this channel this year. And so let's get it. Let's get it. 2020. Keep up with your goals. Let's do it. All right. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for chilling with me here at the Zen Spot. Bye.